Hi guys, today we are going to be making blueberry white chocolate and triple chocolate muffins. These were literally better than shortbread, so easy and quick to make. Let me show you how. For the ingredients, you will need butter, sugar, eggs, sour cream, lemon juice, lemon zest, milk, flour, baking powder, blueberry and white chocolate. Okay, so let's start. In a bowl, add butter, sugar, and eggs. Whisk these ingredients together until creamy. Add sour cream, and milk and mix it together. Then add lemon juice, lemon zest, and vanilla extract. Add baking powder to your flour and start adding it to your mixture. Mix it till well combined. Add a bit of flour to your blueberries, then add it to your mixture. Add white chocolate. Mix it all together until you have a nice, thick consistency. Place the mixture into your muffin tray. While I do that, I'm going to preheat my oven to 180 degrees. Add a few more blueberries and brown sugar on top. Bake it in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees. While the blueberry muffins were baking, I thought I could also make some triple chocolate ones. You will find the full recipe in the comments down below. And here is the final result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever we post a new delicious recipe. See you guys in my next one. Bye!